I tested 10 of the top carpet sweepers so that we can figure out what is going to work the best. And the one we're going to look at today is this Yocada carpet and floor sweeper. It's in blue. Now, some of the things that I wanted to know when I was going into it was, is this going to be good on hardwood floors? So I actually tested it twice. So the first time I tested it was with coffee grounds and rice together. And I wanted to see if it was going to pick up small, fine particles on hardwood floor. And the answer to that was no. No, it did not. And that's okay because it actually says not to do that. Not a problem. Well, you know what? I thought, hey, let's give it another go. Let's try it with Cheerios. And that way the Cheerios were a little bit bigger and we would see how well it would work. Well, guess what? It didn't work. So we can rule out the Yocada carpet and floor sweeper, this specific model, we can rule it out for hardwood floors. So next, I wanted to find out how well is it going to actually work on carpet because that's what it's designed to do. So I gave it a really difficult task and I put rice on the floor. And I wanted to choose rice because I wanted to see how well it was going to pick up those small particles. And well, as you can see, it actually did a fairly good job. So yes, it has 2 rotating brush rolls and that's how it picks up these small particles. And like I said, it did a fairly good job of that. Now, what I loved about this is that it actually left little vacuum marks on the floor. And of course, I do that with air quotes because it didn't necessarily, it's not actually vacuuming, but it did leave those tracks as though you did go ahead and vacuum. Well, what about pet hair? Obviously, I had to try that. And what I did is I got a bunch of cat hair and I put it on the carpet. And that way we can test and see how well it did. It did a fairly good job of picking up the cat hair. Now, I have seen in reviews that it also does well with dog hair. I only tried it with cat hair, but I'm going to say if it works for cats, it's going to work for dogs. So, is assembly hard? Well, no, actually it's not. So all it is 3 pieces, as you can see here. It's just 3 pieces of the rod that connects to the handle. And then all you do is the threads will actually match. And then you will go and you'll put it right inside of the base. Now, that's one of the things that I noticed a lot of people had issues with on reviews and things. So what I found is that way, what will happen is if you find that the threads don't match well or you're getting some resistance, I backed mine a little bit, like maybe a quarter turn, and then I went forward with it and it was perfectly fine. For its small size, I wanted to know how sturdy it is. And from everything I can see, it looks like it's going to hold up for a very long time. I haven't had mine for very long, but to me, it looks like the quality of the handle especially is very good quality. I'm 5'7.5", and so I wanted to know how tall is this thing going to be in relation to me using it. And I can tell you that it's not that bad. So it is 42.5 inches. So you are going to have a little bit of a hunch as you are using it, but it's really honestly not that bad. And I say that because it's really about the same height, maybe a little bit taller than a vacuum cleaner. And so if you're okay with the size of a traditional vacuum cleaner, you'll be perfectly fine with this one as well, especially if you're tall. Now, how do you empty it? That is always the thing that I never understand because different carpet sweepers will actually empty differently. So, as you can see here, there's 2 spots that you push and it's on each side. And if you push, then the wheels will rotate up. That way you can just empty it out. It was not difficult, but just keep in mind that when you push, you need to push it in because then it will make it flip. But it actually says right there to push. Now, how quiet is it? That's also something I wanted to know because a lot of these carpet sweepers are made of metal. So I wanted to know, how loud is it? And it really wasn't loud at all. I have heard some louder ones. This one wasn't that bad. The best part, it's non-electric. There's no cord. So that way you don't have to worry about waking up a baby or waking up someone that's sleeping. It's perfect. How heavy is it? Now, if you've never used a carpet sweeper, then you're not really sure what it's going to be like. Well, this is not difficult to push. It takes almost no effort on your part at all to go and push this thing. It glides out easy and back in very easy. So here's my final verdict. Is it worth the cost? And my recommendation is yes, I think it is. As long as you are planning on using it on carpet and maybe picking up pet hair, I think it's great. It is not for the person that has tile or hardwood floors. I don't think that you're going to be able to get what it is you're looking for out of this. This is just for carpet itself, at least based upon the tests that I ran. Now, you can definitely try it for yourself.